उत्पादन शुल्क आयुक्त नारायण गाड हांणी सिली सोल रेस्टॉरंट आनी बार धन्याच्या अबकारी परवान्याच्या नूतनीकरणा आड घातिल्ली याचिका भायर मारली। आदोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिगीजान ही याचिका दाखल केली। अबकारी परवान्याचे नूतनीकरण आयुक्तांनी कायदेशीर आनी वैश आशिल्ल्याचें सांगलें। एंथनी डिगामा हांच्या मरणा उपरांत डॉक्युमेंट तांचे बायलेच्या नांवाचेर हस्तांतरीत जाल्ल्याचें आयुक्तांनी आपल्या निवाड्यात म्हटलां।
Now the excise commissioner today has allowed the license to be transferred in the name of the late Enquiry Gama's widow. So we would have to go through this order and the total facts of the case and see what is to be done next. Because if the excise license is in one person's name and the GST number and the food and drugs licenses and all other licenses are in the name of a different company, so that the excise commissioner has not gone into. So we would have to see how to deal with the today's order. Today's order is a bulky order. How to go around this order? But anyway, the truth is there all before the public that Smriti Irani, the Union Minister for Child and Women Development, lied to the nation that she had nothing to do with the restaurant when there is a record to the contrary, that the whole premises was leased to the company run by her husband in 2021, in January of 2021.
She was residing in Goa and Bombay. You require police clearance from both. So that is the police clearance that has to be brought, and based on that particular police clearance, finally the license would stand transferred in her name. The other questions that were raised in that particular petition and the arguments advanced that there was a lease, there was a transfer, all that has not been taken into consideration at all. So till the court decides the issue of allotment of the estate and apportionment of the estate in the inventory proceedings, the license stands transferred in the name of the deceased spouse, the spouse of the deceased license holder, as she is appointed as the head of the family.